Can you really make a meal for just $1? That's a question many skeptics ask. Well, with some creativity, smart shopping, and a few pantry staples, the answer is a resounding yes. Let's delve into some scrumptious, budget-friendly $1 meals that are both filling and delicious. Number 1. Classic egg-fried rice. Rice is a universally loved staple. Combine it with scrambled eggs, a splash of soy sauce, and any lingering veggies in your fridge, and voila, a meal that's both hearty and flavorsome. Eggs pack a protein punch while veggies amp up the nutrition. Number 2. Pasta aglio e olio. This Italian marvel requires minimal ingredients: spaghetti, garlic, chili flakes, and olive oil. Cooked to perfection, this dish delivers maximum flavor. Garnish with grated cheese or fresh parsley if you have some in hand. Number 3. Lentil soup. Lentils are not just pocket-friendly, but are also a powerhouse of nutrients. A simple lentil soup with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and some spices can warm you up on any day. Serve with a slice of bread for added fullness. Number 4. Vegetable stir-fry. Many grocery stores discount veggies that are close to their sell-by date. Grab these deals and whip up a colorful stir-fry. Toss in some tofu or leftover meat for added protein. Drizzle with a homemade sauce made from soy sauce, honey, and garlic. Number 5. Bean and cheese quesadillas. Refried beans spread across a tortilla, sprinkled with cheese and toasted results in a delightful Mexican-inspired meal. Add some chopped tomatoes, onions, or even a dollop of sour cream if your budget allows. Number 6. Oats and banana pancakes. These aren't your typical pancakes. Combine ground oats with a mashed ripe banana, a splash of milk, and cook them on a skillet. These pancakes are both gluten-free and sugar-free. Drizzle with a touch of honey or maple syrup if you've got some. Number 7. Potato curry. Potatoes are one of the most versatile and economical ingredients out there. A spicy potato curry with some basic spices, onions, and tomatoes is both satisfying and delicious. Serve with flatbread or rice. Number 8. Tuna salad wrap. Canned tuna can be a lifesaver. Mix it up with mayo, diced onions, and some lettuce or celery. This mixture, wrapped in a tortilla, creates a wonderful, filling meal. Add some hot sauce for a kick. Number 9. Spiced chickpea salad. Chickpeas are filling and rich in protein. Toss them with olive oil, lemon juice, spices, and any diced veggies for a refreshing salad. They can also be mashed and spread on bread for a chickpea sandwich. Number 10. Grilled cheese sandwich. This timeless classic never disappoints. With just bread, cheese, and butter, you have a meal that's universally loved. Spice it up by adding some pickles, tomato slices, or even a bit of mustard for an extra flavor layer. Bonus tip. It's all about being resourceful. Check local deals, use what's in your pantry, and don't be afraid to experiment. Being on a tight budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste or nutrition. These $1 meal ideas prove that with a little imagination and ingenuity, you can dine deliciously without denting your wallet.